Okay, here I've just loaded in some gold data from a composite gold deposit. Just a standard gold field, got maximum intensity projection. So this is just so that I can have a look at the data and just have a look at which way it's down, get a bit of an idea of plunge. So if we look normal to it, you can see we've got some really good plunging chutes coming down this way, and you've got a drill hole spacing issue coming through here, but yeah, drill that out. And we see some nice plunging. So we spin that around, and there's our two chutes. So we're just gonna call that, and looking down hole, so we'll save that there. Save this, view as down plunge. So it's just so we can compare this. So when we do the variogram model, we can now come back and we can look at it from there. So in the next video, I'll actually show you how to do that.